I have participated in the implementation of 5 methodologies. I speak more, but I truly know 5. The techniques are not hard to learn. The transitions between stages are a little craftier, but enforcement must be consistent. But living the culture of it takes time. In the end, you get everyone speaking the same language. I mean, everyone across departments and support. Everyone will understand how a prospect develops across your methodology. But the hardest part of any of this is teaching reps to ask the right questions. It's part rote, it's part observational, and part judgment. So a peek into the collaborative book called Building Your Sales Team, and you can learn the single most important question you can ask in every meeting, every time.